you some! Catawba Mountain Games champion right here. Look, he has a USA vest, so that's proof.
I used to be somebody.
He's still somebody to me. Woo! The Jamal Splat! History's been made! So apparently you don't need a shuttle to do the section I'm getting ready to do. I'll leave a pin in the description on where this is because it wasn't the easiest to find online, but now that I've been here, I'll drop all of you guys a pin so you'll know where to go. Very nice. These are set up for rafts to slide down, but you put in, I think this is called Fish Creek, and then paddle down to where the Whitewater starts. Oh boy, it's been a while since I've been in this boat. So we go down, what was that? Probably not even a quarter mile.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
About a quarter mile, then hang a big left. And I take it that's the start of the channel right there. So it looks like this is a little staging point. Oh, is that where you walk back up? Is that what they're doing? Well, there you go. So this is where you start and where you walk back up, I guess. First wave.
Hey, hit the bottom, did you?
You want to stay low. This one's not bad. Whew. Oh, that's probably one of the better ones. get you some! Yoo-hoo! So far, it kind of reminds me of the Oklahoma Center. That is a very short course. The setup's nice. I like the little setup out here. So yeah, a little short walk back to the top after the course. So you come here and just walk back up and do it again. That's great. So you put in right here, take out right here, then put in again right here, just so you know. So it looks like this channel here, there's a second channel up top, but to get to it, you have to paddle. You don't paddle in here, you paddle around that back side. It's like there's 2 or 3 decent holes on the way down. And a little sticky hole right there at the end.
3/4 mile run.
Okay.
And they're not done with it yet. And it's nice and steep. It's on the far left side of the dam. They're just putting a little access area in, and they're going to dump water in.
Okay.
And that's like got some class 4 shit.
They're calling this the Paperclip.
This is the Paperclip Channel.
Paperclip Channel.
That's just like the main flow channel. That's just like, that's the Outflow Channel. It's really good at like 850.
Okay. What is the level today?
2,900.
2,900.
2,980 or something like
That's
that.
going to be the regular release.
That's the regular release. And
Yeah.
they discourage you from getting in there.
Yeah.
During that. Because look at that shit.
What's down there?
And it goes 2 miles to the lake.
Okay.
So, Kevin Colburn wrote it up on American Whitewater. I read it this morning. He said that this is like a lot like FB9, but it's
Okay.
even wider, like twice as wide as FB9.
So
but
probably
2,
not
3, all class 2, 3.
worth doing if you had the time, but
Yeah.
all the best stuff is right here. Yeah. So it looks like the number 1, 2, 3 hole is the best hole for slicey boats for getting ends left and right. I hit bottom everywhere else. You can do some low angle stuff, but you have to stay really low angle. So I paddled halfway down and I got out, and I'm going to try this other little channel over here. That actually looks decent over there. Ooh, that's a lot of volume coming through there. I can feel it. Don't land on me. Yeah, so you have to paddle back, which isn't, the good thing is it's actually flat. There's no current. So what'd you think, Matt?
Better than I expected. If you're local in the area, 40 minutes away, why not? Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, I
Not
felt
a whole lot of spots to like loop, some cartwheel spots, some surfing spots. I wouldn't say a lot of downers correct up there, so it's kind of easy, but
very short.
yeah.
Very short. I think it could help you kind of like navigating small holes. Someone just now kind of learning. It reminded me of the OKC, the Oklahoma City Whitewater Park. That's what it kind of reminded me of.
Got the same usual mutant eddies, they say, like the Whitewater City.
Those weird pulsating kind of squirrely eddies. The right side outside the Paperclip had a really good surf waves on it. I feel that if you're working on your surfing and you want to step it up, that'd be the spot. It's a little burly swim if anything happens to you though. Well, there it is, the Great Falls. Not to be confused with the real Great Falls in the Potomac.
Did you hear about that? Somebody on Reddit left a review. They said I went here and there was no falls.
To be called Great Falls, and that's like, but I get it, that's the name of the town.
Rate that 2 plus?
I would say 2, just because how safe it is, even out of your boat. It's pretty safe. That far right side, far left channel, I would say is probably a solid 3 plus. Maybe that could be borderline 4.
Yeah, that hole's big.
That hole would be a borderline 4 because the swim behind it would be brutal. Okay. Overall, I think, to me, that was the most fun down here, is those holes on the outside the Paperclip. The Paperclip was just fun for splats and low angle cartwheels.
I mean, don't drive down here expecting to have the time of your life, but you know, it's something.
Oh, exactly, and it's free. Definitely put this on you guys' radar. If you haven't paddled down here, I recommend coming down here and checking it out. They did a really good job. The locals are awesome. Everybody was super friendly. The parking lot's set up nicely. The Whitewater, you know, it's class 1, 2-ish. And if you go that far if you go the far left-hand channel, I would say that's a class 3 plus, maybe a 4 hole. That hole was a little stout for some, but I thought it was fine. So, like I said, there'll be pins for where this parking lot is, and what I did the section where you just paddle in, run the Whitewater course, and then paddle back out. So that's the course I did today. Apparently there's another section where you could run your shuttle and really like run an entire river. If anybody's paddled here and they've got any comments or anything they want to talk about this place, leave in the comments below, because I always like hearing what you guys have to say. But yeah, let's get out of here. Woo!